Hi guys, how's it going? Today feels like Friday, maybe because I'm very tired. I'm not sure. So I thought to do a quick video to basically update you guys on what has been happening lately because we've just been shooting and testing and experimenting, but I haven't really stopped to, answer some questions that you guys are asking me here. For those of you wondering what this is a lint remover. Some people call it lint roller. It's um it's basically something you use to remove cat furs from your clothes. It's very sticky, so you roll it on the clothes and then it takes away or removes the cat fur. You can also use it to remove other things that are stuck on your clothes. You can get it on Jumia. You roll it. At some point, it's going to get less sticky, and then you have to peel it off, just like I did this one. I'm going to include the Jumia link under this video so you can check it out or buy it if you need it. So a quick recap on what has been happening. First of all, the giveaway, the power bank. The power bank is still here. It's here. I don't know if you guys can see it in the background, but it's still here. We already paid the guy who won the giveaway. Actually, he's not in Nigeria, so he had to send me a PayPal. He had to send me a PayPal email address for us to make the payment to him. So we've paid the guy who won the power bank. Again, he's not in Lagos, right? He's not even in Nigeria, so we couldn't ship the power bank to his house. There are two other people who won 10,000 naira each, but they did not reach out to me, and I don't know what their Instagram handles are, so I'm still waiting on those ones. Or you guys, I don't know who the two people are. So if you are one of the winners of the 10,000 naira, reach out to me so we can send you your money. If you don't get back to me before this month ends, then I'll probably use your money to do Easter. Me and Zino will go use it to use it to eat Easter rice or something. For those of you that are asking about Starlink, if the price has truly gone up, yes, it has. Starlink is now like a million naira, 800k. I bought mine for 300 and something k on promo. Starlink was advertising in Nigeria at the time. I know people who got for 500k. At the time, it was like 500k. Then they did a promo, it was 300k. I got for 300k. But it's now as if somebody added the 500k and the 300k together, boom, and decided, you know what, let's make it 800k. So Starlink is now very expensive. If you haven't bought yet, if you've been saving for it, I would say use that money to buy something else. Maybe buy MTN in the meantime and do like the 100k or 100 gigabyte subscription. I think it's 100 gigabytes. I'm not sure anymore, but basically spend that money on something better. You don't have to get Starlink. Starlink also has its own issues, to be honest. And we are also approaching rainy season, so there are going to be times that it's going to rain and you won't be able to even use Starlink at all. So don't kill yourself because of Starlink. Someone also asked me if I had tested FibreOne before. I haven't. I've never used FibreOne. Probably have indirectly because I've been to houses where they have FibreOne installed, but that's it. I've never used it myself. I've never tested it even. But my friends that use FibreOne, they did say nice things about it. If you go on Twitter, some people are not saying nice things about FibreOne. I haven't been able to test it or use it because where I live in Lagos, when I reached out to FibreOne and I asked them to come install it at my place, they said that they don't have coverage in my area. Obviously, as you can tell, I stay for bush, so they don't have coverage in my area. So I still haven't used FibreOne yet. I mean, I might someday, maybe if I move to a new apartment or temporarily stay at a house where they have FibreOne, then I'll do a review and let you guys know what my experience is like. But yeah, that's it. Spectranet. I promised you guys that I was going to do a test. I reached out to Spectranet support to ask them what the fastest Spectranet plan was, and they told me it was the Kulele plan. And I said, okay, I am going to subscribe to the Kulele plan and do the test. I subscribed to the Kulele plan, but around the time we were using it, it was when they were, there was this undersea cable wahala, and I couldn't do a test at the time and show you guys that, Spectranet is working, this is the speed and all of that. I mean, I told you guys Spectranet was working, right? But it wasn't a good time to do a test, and it wasn't a good time to measure how strong or how weak Spectranet was, because it would not be fair, right? And then I turned on the Spectranet again yesterday to do the test. And my subscription, they told me that my subscription had finished, because the Kulele plan is not the double data plan. You only get double data on the do more plan. But for the Kulele, you don't get double data. So we finished the data. When I say we, I mean me and Zeno, my assistant. So I have to subscribe on the Spectranet again, do the test, and then let you guys know. So I'll probably do that tomorrow or next tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, that's it for Spectranet. When I do the test, I'll let you guys know what the fastest, in quote, fastest Spectranet plan is giving us in terms of like megabytes and megabits and all of that. So for the giveaway, I don't know what I am going to give away next. I really don't have anything in mind specifically right now. I have some suggestions, and one of them is a mobile phone. Like, a lot of people have asked me to give away a mobile phone, but it has to be a device that I have not reviewed before. It has to be something I haven't tested or reviewed before, because again, I am doing this because I want to test. I love testing software and hardware, mostly software. I like just checking out these things and seeing how they work. And I obviously cannot keep these things in my house, so it'd be nice to give it to you guys. But let me know what phones or what devices you'd like me to check out. It doesn't also have to be a phone. It could be a tablet, it could be a vacuum cleaner, it could be anything really. It could be a software even. Just let me know what you like me to give away next, and I will check it out, maybe do a review, and then give away the device. So guys, let me know. That is pretty much what we've been up to lately. There have been also like some really exciting stuff. I hope I answered your questions. Someone also asked me about Starlink, how I paid for my subscription on Starlink. I use my Coda card. My Coda card works, right? Just make sure that the name you have on the card matches what you're entering on, Starlink's website when you're making your payment or renewing. There's no bank transfer option. You only pay with your card. If your Naira card is not working, try your dollar card. If your dollar card is not working, try your Naira card. So just try cards. I haven't really had issues with that. Like, I try my Kuda card and it works, and that's it. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you around. Take care. Bye.